If you've ever been excited to build or edit your WordPress site with Elementor, only to be blocked by a frustrating server error 500 message, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this error quickly and easily, so you can get back to designing your site with zero headaches. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just how to resolve the issue step by step, but also why these steps matter, which will help you prevent the error from coming back in the future. So let's dive right in. First up, the number one reason for the Elementor Server Error 500 is that Elementor is pretty resource-heavy and often pushes your server beyond its default limits, especially with things like memory. In plain terms, Elementor might be trying to juggle more data than your WordPress site is allowed to handle out of the box. So, our main fix is to increase the PHP memory limit for your website, which is kind of like giving Elementor a bigger desk to work at, making it far less likely to crash. To do this, you'll need to access your site's files. If you're comfortable with your hosting account's file manager, you can use that. Or many people prefer something like FileZilla, which is a free FTP client. Don't worry if you haven't done this before, the process is pretty much drag and drop. Once you're in, look for a file called wp-config.php in your root directory. This file controls a lot of WordPress's behind-the-scenes settings, so be careful not to delete anything. Open up wp-config.php and scroll down just before the line that says "That's all, stop editing." Happy publishing / you'll want to paste this code right above that line. Define WP memory limit 512 MB. This tells WordPress and your server that it's allowed to use up to 512 megabytes of memory, which is more than enough to keep Elementor running smoothly in most cases. Once you've saved your changes, don't forget to clear your browser cache before you try editing with Elementor again. Sometimes your browser will hold on to old data, so a quick refresh ensures you're seeing the latest. If after increasing your PHP memory, you're still staring down that error 500, don't worry, there's another common issue at play. Plugin or theme conflicts. Elementor relies on a lot of moving parts, and sometimes other plugins or even your theme can clash with it and cause the server to malfunction. Thankfully, Elementor has a super helpful troubleshooting feature called Safe Mode. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and go to Elementor. Then click on Tools. Here, you'll see an option for Safe Mode. Just set this to Enable. What Safe Mode does is temporarily disable all but the bare essentials for Elementor to work. Now try opening your Elementor editor. If it loads up normally, that means there's a conflict with another plugin or theme. To hunt down the culprit, go to your plugins page and deactivate all * plugins except for Elementor and Elementor Pro. Then reactivate them one by one, checking Elementor each time. Pause for a second after each activation to let things load. As soon as the error 500 comes back, you've found the conflicting plugin or theme. That little bit of patience will save you hours of frustration down the line. And that's it, you've just tackled one of the most annoying roadblocks in WordPress design. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up below. And if you have any questions or want to share what solution worked for you, drop a comment and join the community conversation. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and problem solvers like this one. Good luck and happy editing with Elementor.